Just want to show you something. The other day I chopped this tree down, and unfortunately my GoPro wasn't recording anything. I thought I was recording the whole process, but unfortunately my video camera wasn't working. So that happens once in a while. I don't know what causes it, but that's what happened. And this is these are the aftermath of this one tree. And I'm thinking maybe of turning one or two of these into lumber. So I've never done it before. So I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but I'm gonna hand saw it and see with a chainsaw, of course. But want to see how it's going to be. If it works, maybe I might do that again. And maybe I use the lumber, thick lumber for making a table or something. That's what I'm planning to do. And the rest is going to be my firewood. Okay, that's about it. Pretty good. All right, thanks for watching.